Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Satej Patil and I am a student of first year aerospace engineering. Today I am here to discuss about the various types of COVID-19 vaccines and their mechanisms. I would like to thank Mr. sir for his guidance. So let's start. Introduction. The first recorded case of COVID-19 was found in Wuhan, China in December 2019. And within the next few months, the virus traveled around the world and infected a large population of the human civilizations and put us locked in our homes for more than the last 2 years. Getting vaccinated is probably the most safe way to avoid this virus, but before the vaccines were being developed, staying at home, wearing a mask in public places, avoiding crowded places, keeping a safe distance from others were some of the preventive steps taken. After people were being found infected with COVID-19, they were being quarantined, and those who were in contact with the people were also tested for COVID-19. The first COVID-19 vaccine was granted regulatory approval on 2nd December 2020 by the UK government. The vaccine is developed by following these 5 steps. First, the laboratory testings, then the preclinical trials, then the clinical trials on humans, then the government approving the vaccine, and then monitoring the vaccine's efficiency on people. Let's have a look at the different types of vaccines being manufactured. Let's have a look at the different types. Here, mRNA vaccines, adenovirus vector vaccines, inactivated virus vaccines, subunit vaccines, DNA vaccines, and lastly, the intranasal vaccines. Let's have a closer look at the mRNA vaccines. mRNA is a molecule that tells our body to make proteins. So, mRNA vaccines send a message to our cells to produce the protein that attacks the COVID-19 virus. This educates the body how to recognize and kill the infection. Here are some mRNA vaccines approved by various governments across the globe. Adenovirus vector vaccines are also known as vector vaccines. Vector vaccines use another virus that has been made safe to deliver material that tells our cells to make harmless protein unique to the COVID-19 virus. It's basically like a diluted virus, which makes the immune system active against the virus. The vaccine uses S proteins on their surface removed from COVID-19 virus to make this effective. These are some of the vector vaccines used across the globe to fight COVID-19. Next type of vaccine is inactivated virus vaccines. This is probably the oldest way to produce a vaccine. In this process, the virus is killed or diluted using chemicals, heat, or radiation. This dead virus is then used to make the vaccine. This vaccine replicates the attack of virus and educates our body cells to produce antibiotics to fight against the virus. Here are some inactivated virus COVID-19 vaccines being used across the globe. Next in line are the subunit vaccines. Protein subunit vaccines contain harmless pieces of protein unique to the COVID-19 virus. These are the parts of virus that best stimulate our immune system. So, when the COVID-19 attacks the body, it is harmless as there are already antibodies being present in the cells. Some of the approved subunit vaccines are as follows. Further, let's take a look at the DNA vaccines. DNA vaccines contain viral genetical material which provides the instruction for making viral protein. It is very similar to our mRNA vaccines, but here mRNA, instead of mRNA, DNA is used. We should be proud that India has approved the only DNA COVID-19 vaccine in the world till now. So, at the end, what do we get to learn from all these vaccines and the research going on? Let's take a look. A vaccine teaches our immune system to recognize the virus and fight against it when we are exposed to it. This is done through using the various types of vaccines. Also, vaccination of all the human population can end or at least reduce the impact of COVID-19 and further pandemics which we are supposed to see. Thanks a lot for watching this video.